Ever wondered how crucial translation is in our increasingly interconnected world? It's like a bridge connecting diverse cultures and languages, fostering communication and understanding. In our global village, it's an indispensable tool that breaks down language barriers and promotes unity. And guess what? Technology is playing a pivotal role in this, making translation faster and more accurate than ever. Python, a popular programming language, is right at the forefront of this revolution. So how can one leverage the power of Python to create a translator? Stick around to find out. Before diving into the creation process, let's understand what a Python-based translator is. Essentially, it's a tool that uses Python, a popular programming language, to translate text from one language to another. This is made possible by incorporating APIs and libraries like Google Trans. Google Trans is a free and unlimited Python library that implements Google Translate API, allowing us to leverage Google's powerful translation capabilities. Now that we have a grasp of what we aim to create, it's time to delve into the creation process. Creating a translator using Python involves a few steps. Don't worry, they're straightforward. Let's dive in. First off, we need to install a Python package called Google Trans. This is a free and unlimited Python library that implements Google Translate API. You can install it using the pip command. Just type pip install Google Trans in your command prompt or terminal and hit enter. Moving on, let's write a simple Python script to translate text from one language to another using the Google Trans package. Start by importing the package with from Google Trans import translator. Then create an instance of the translator class. For example, translator = translator. Now, to translate text, we'll use the translate method. This method takes two parameters, the text you want to translate and the target language. The text is a simple string and the target language is a two-letter language code. For example, N for English, E is for Spanish, and so on. So, if you want to translate hello world into Spanish, you'd write translation = translator translate hello world destes. With the translation stored in the translation variable, you can now access the translated text with translation.txt. Print this to see your translated text in the console. So if you followed along, your script should look something like this. When you run this script, it will output Hola Mundo, which is hello world in Spanish. Lastly, execute the script. Voila! Your translated text will be displayed. There you have it. A simple and effective translator at your fingertips. But what did we just do? Let's quickly summarize what we've learned. We've seen the importance of translation in our increasingly global world and how Python, a versatile programming language, can help us build a translator. We began the process by installing Python and setting up our development environment. Next, we dove into the Google Trans library, a powerful tool that leverages Google Translate's API. We learned how to install it using pip, Python's package installer. Then, we explored the functionality of Google Trans, understanding how to use it to translate text between languages. Our journey led us to write a Python script using Google Trans to translate a phrase from English to French. We saw the power of Python and Google Trans in action, effortlessly translating text in a matter of seconds. And that's it, a simple, effective translator built using Python and Google Trans. With Python and the right tools, you can break language barriers and promote global communication. Happy coding!